Okay, he's going back inside. He's inside, he's eating some peanuts. Hear the sounds of nature all around. And the interesting thing is, he's staying inside longer. He's not just going in there, grabbing a peanut and coming back out. You could probably sneak up on him this way and grab him by the tail. Though I would not recommend that at all. They do bite. And they probably carry cooties. He's just staying inside eating. Now he's peeking around.